Have you ever noticed that some people have these beautiful featured boards at the top of their Pinterest account? How do they set that up? They have like these things with like 5 boards on it and they can pan through them. I'm gonna show you how to set that up on this video. Now there's a few steps that you're gonna need to do in order to set this up, so make sure that you're logged into your Pinterest account and let's go get started. Setting up your featured boards is super easy. You're just gonna go to your settings. You're gonna scroll down to the section where it says profile. And then down here, really small, it says featured boards. You're just gonna click edit, and here you'll be able to choose boards to feature at the top of your profile. It's super duper easy. You can also clear them all and start over. You can rearrange them if you want, etc. Once you've chosen your boards, you can click save. You can choose as few as 1 board too if you want. And then now that's saved and they'll display up here at the top under the featured boards section on your profile. You want to make sure that those boards are showing up in search and they're showcasing the best of the best that you have. So put a little bit of time into setting them up right. This video is going to show you how.